Hello there. In this video we're going to look at a plugin called Typist and how we can use that in our designs in Figma. So what I have here is I've got a desktop frame with some text in it. I've just copied some lorem ipsum text and that's it. Nice and straightforward. So I've seen this plugin being used for things like a ChatGPT prototype, or maybe a Slack prototype, or a messaging service prototype. So let me dive in and show you how it can be done. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the text so it's highlighted, and I'm going to go up to my plugins and I'm going to click on Typist. That loads the plugin here, and now we have a few options. So it tells me that I've got one text layer selected, and then it's saying type by. So you can type by the letter, the word, or multiple words. So I'm going to just do word for now. You've got different speeds, so you can go fast or slow, or actually you can randomize the typing speed. And then what you can do is create a component. So I'm going to click on create component, and what it does is it dumps this component right here, or it dumps it somewhere on the canvas. It looks quite complicated, but what I'm going to do is if I click on here, maybe if I go into prototype, so you can see it's added lots of different interactions by running this plugin. So if I click on one of the interactions, you can see there's a delay of 3 seconds. Maybe if I click on the next one, it's 5 seconds, 7 seconds for the next one. And that's because on the plugin, sorry, let me just go back, come out of prototype and go on design. So when I ran the plugin for the first time, I randomized the typing speed. So I guess if you adjusted the typing speed using this line here, it would be consistent on the component. But because I randomized it, that's why I've got all those random times there. Okay, how can we use this? So I want to, let me just duplicate this frame here. I'm going to just delete that text. So I'm just going to take the first part of this component and I'm just going to pop it here on screen. And now if I click on desktop 2, I'm going to click on preview here. And as you can see, it's typing out like a response. So it's almost as if somebody is typing this response back to me. There we go, it's still going, still going, still going. And the speed, as you can see, is kind of randomized. That's what I asked for in the plugin, to randomize the typing speed. So yeah, I think this would be really useful if there's some kind of conversational UI that you've designed, or like I said, like ChatGPT, where you type in a response and then you're waiting for a response from the AI. I think this plugin could come in really useful when you're designing, if you're designing that kind of platform, and it could speed up your workflow. That seems to have finished. I'm just going to close that. So yeah, hopefully that made sense. The plugin is called Typist, so check it out, and hopefully that will speed up your workflow when you're designing. Okay, that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, add some comments, check out my channel for some other content, and I will see you in the next video.